if this particular feature is turned on your YouTube studio, you need to watch this video to the end, because not all features are meant to be turned on YouTube studio. Yes, if you want a larger view on your videos, that is why you turn all features on your YouTube studio. Please don't do that. This might be the reason why YouTube is not pushing your recent videos to the right audience. Yes, that is why your watch hour keeps reducing, because all your previous videos that are above 365 days, YouTube is still recommending them to people, and that one doesn't add to your watch hour anymore. So how do you avoid this? It's just by turning on this particular feature. This video I'm going to tell you which particular feature you need to turn on, and also which particular feature you need to turn off on your YouTube studio. So having said that, let's get started. Where are my fellow YouTubers? Move closer, move closer, move closer. You and I knows the essence of YouTube Studio on our channel. Yes, not all features are meant to be turned on YouTube Studio, but you in particular has turned all features on your YouTube Studio. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, because there is a particular feature that doesn't need to be turned on at all on your YouTube Studio, and you've turned it on already because you want much views on your YouTube. And I must tell you for free, that is the major reason YouTube is not pushing your recent videos to your viewers. Yes, they keep pushing your old videos that has much viewers already, and this doesn't help your watch hour in any way. Please make sure you calm down and watch this video to the end if this video is for you.
Go to your Chrome browser and type studio.youtube.com. Can you see it? Then search for it. If you are using your phone to do it, make sure you delete YouTube Studio before you can access their site. I don't think you can access their site while you have the YouTube app on your phone. So if you are using your Chrome browser on your phone, make sure you put your phone on a desktop mode so that you can see all these things clearly. So now this is my YouTube Studio. So this is where we are going to switch the feature off. Just scroll down, go to customization. Okay, this is where you have your YouTube customization. This is your profile picture, then your channel name, your handle, description, and all that. Can you see? This is where you add your bio and so on. Then move to this place, home tab. Click on home tab. Let's start from the beginning. This is my trailer. If you want to add a trailer to your channel, you can just click on the three dots icon, then you can click on change trailer. If you have it on your channel, you can just select it. Maybe the video you love most, or the video that talks about your channel, you can just put it on this your trailer. So let's scroll down. Can you see? For you, YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. Click on more settings. Can you see this video is turned on? These are the things that are visible to your subscribers. Scroll down. So here we are. If on your YouTube Studio this place is ticked, this all content recommended is ticked, you are wrong. Yes, especially when your channel is above a year. When your channel is lesser than a year, maybe 6 months, you can still leave it on this all content recommended. But as long as your channel is more than a year, yes, your channel is more than 365 days, make sure you turn on recent content only. If all content recommended is turned on, you are wrong, because by turning on this all content recommended, YouTube will recommend all your videos to your viewers. Most especially, they might recommend your old videos that are doing well to your viewers, and this will not add to your watch hour in any way. That is why you have to leave it on recent content only. That is content you've posted in the last 12 months. You and I knows that it is only those videos that can add to your watch hour, not all your content. Yes, as a matter of fact, not all your content after you reach a year on YouTube is valid anymore. Yes, so having said that, you can go ahead and save it. Click on done, leave it on recent. So let's scroll down. If there's anything I need to show you, I think that is all. You can just go ahead to your YouTube studio and do just that, so that you will get your video recommended to your viewers. So after that, make sure you save it. Click on publish to save that changes you just made. So can you see changes published? By doing this, YouTube will recommend your recent videos, not your old videos. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share.